Welcome. This video shows you how to control the airflow temperature in your Chevrolet TRAX from 2013 to 2017. These models have a manual climate control system, so let's get started adjusting the temperature. The Chevrolet TRAX from 2013 to 2017 features a straightforward manual climate control system that gives you direct control over cabin temperature. At the heart of this system is the temperature control knob, labeled Temp, located on the center console of your dashboard. This knob operates a blend door mechanism that physically mixes air from the vehicle's hot and cold sources to achieve your desired temperature. To increase heat, turn the knob to the right. For cooler air, turn it to the left. Remember to activate the air conditioning system when selecting cooler temperatures, as this engages the cooling cycle. The temperature control knob is located on the center console of your Chevrolet TRAX. This rotary dial adjusts the blend door to mix hot and cold air from the heater core and evaporator. To increase heat, rotate the knob clockwise. This directs more warm air from the engine coolant through the heater core into the cabin. To decrease heat and increase cool airflow, rotate the knob counterclockwise. This allows more cool air from the evaporator to circulate, especially when the AC is activated. Remember that the selected fan speed is also a factor in the overall airflow temperature. Adjust both the temperature knob and fan speed together for optimal comfort. If your temperature knob is stuck, the blend door linkage may need lubrication. A silicone spray can often fix this common issue caused by wear in high-mileage vehicles. Apply the spray to the blend door linkage for a quick DIY solution costing about $5. If the problem persists after lubrication, there could be a deeper mechanical issue, and it's best to see a mechanic. AC issues can affect temperature control in your Chevrolet TRAX. If you're getting warm air when you expect cool air, check your AC refrigerant level. Low refrigerant can make it seem like the temperature control is failing. A recharge might be needed. Get a pressure test to confirm. Regular HVAC inspections can prevent costly repairs. Consider annual checks to keep your system running smoothly. Also, ensure proper function of the blower motor and resistor. Failures there can mimic temperature problems. These parts are readily available. While the TRAX has a manual system, some owners have added Bluetooth modules for smartphone control of the temperature. This is an advanced modification, but it offers convenience and potential energy savings. This isn't officially supported and should be carefully considered before being performed. The Chevy TRAX's manual climate control is reliable, but requires understanding its basic functions. For more information, consult your Chevrolet owner's manual or a certified mechanic. Thanks for watching.